guys, I'm at Coles at the moment, so I'm gonna do grocery shopping by myself because Dada is at the gym. I'm at Coles and Mimi and Paris, they just stayed at home, so I'm gonna go shopping by myself, guys, which is very strange because I haven't done it for a very long time. I'm used to having Paris with me when I come to Coles or Safeway or anyway. It's something that I really like here, guys. It's this one, the coconut chunks, and also the mango slices. It's $20 per kilo. That's $20 per kilo as well. But obviously we're not gonna get a kilo, right? Just maybe 10 pieces each. Got these two, guys. So first the coconut chunks. Let's see how much it is. So it will ask for the 3-digit product code. So for the coconut chunks, it's 657. So 657. So it shows, guys, it's $2.28. Print. Did that print? Print. There you go, guys. And then this comes out. It's pretty cool, right? And then you just have to stick that on the plastic bag, and when you go to the cashier, guys, then they will just scan it. And yeah, so that's $228. And this one here, the mango, we'll see what's the code. It's 877. So that's $3.80, which is alright. You just print it, and then it comes up again, and same thing, just stick it there. There you go. Got that too. And now we're gonna go get chicken breasts. I'm gonna get it from the deli, guys. So it's freshy. Dada said to just get 6 pieces of breast. Okay. Just get them. Hi, how are you doing? Can I please have 6 pieces of the breast fillets? Thank you. So it's $9.50. Here it is. It is for the 6 pieces breast fillets. It's $13.26. Let's put that in there. And now the next one would be sweet potato, I think. Yeah, we're gonna get sweet potato and spinach. I can see the sweet potato from here. So that's the one, guys. So it says $2.50 per kilo. So we're just gonna get the medium size. Gonna get 2 of them. This is medium, right? They're huge, aren't they? Seriously. Oh, that is huge. Maybe that doesn't look nice. This one, perfect. Okay, we got 2. Oop. Did I just drop the other one? Oh Lord. So now we're just gonna get spinach. So guys, Dada's gonna cook tonight because he loves the kitchen. So we get the spinach. Okay. Oh, that's not spinach. Up here. Get the baby spinach. Oh, this one here. Guys, $5. Tangkong guys. Tag-5 lang tangkong guys sa amo. Mantur man mig tangkongan guys oy. There's different kind of milk guys. Oh, it's confusing. But Dada wants a organic milk. So that's what we're gonna get. $2.20. More containers guys. Food containers. So Dada wants the square ones. Rectangle. So this is pretty inexpensive guys. $2 is not too bad actually. Oh. So this is what I'm looking for. So it's 4-pack and it's $2. So we're gonna get 2 of them. So we've got 8 in total. Pretty full now. I think there's, yeah, I'm gonna need beans and bananas. Oh look, something just happened. Oh my god. Look, everything in the floor. Oh my god. Alright, scary. I don't know what happened then. Did someone do that? I think someone crazy just came and did all this. Oh my god. Some people are unreal, guys. Guys, someone did it on purpose and just ran away. Gee, I'll just get what I need here, guys, so I can go home. This is scary here, guys. Oh my god. Gonna get, I think there's 2 more things that I need and then I'm gonna go home. The self-service checkout now. And I'm just gonna get a credit for Mimi's phone. So it's the Barra. We'll get the cheap one. I thought they've got like, oh, this one here.
If you have a Flybuys card, please scan at any time.
Okay, so we can close that one now. And then we can scan more. Total guys is $81.08. That's for everything. I'm gonna pay now. So guys, I've got everything that I need now. Oh, it's so heavy. I can finally go home now, guys. So I'm just gonna go pick up Dada from the gym and then we'll go home. So that was very interesting, guys. I didn't expect that to happen, but yeah, thank you for going shopping with me tonight, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.